Hey everyone, I just came across an Easter egg hidden inside of the Instagram app that lets you change your app's icon on iOS device. I don't think this works on Android device yet, but let me know in the comments below if it does for you. Okay, let's go ahead and launch Instagram as well. Make sure you update your Instagram app so you get the latest update, and this is an Easter egg, so it's hidden. So please give this a thumbs up so more people could find it. Now on this page, press the three lines on the top right. And here I am on the iPhone, so the setting is on top, on Android is on the bottom. Click setting, and this is how you get to the Easter egg. Just scroll down and you see those little emojis right there on top. Keep going, keep scrolling, and just like that you get to this page where you get custom apps icon from Instagram. So this goes back in the whole history of Instagram from 2010. All this way till now, even the pre-launch one that says Codenames is over here. So I will select one here. So I will select that one. And now if I exit Instagram here, there it is, my new app icon. Let me select again. I will choose this sunrise one. And I will get out for there, and it's the sunrise one. Now sometimes you do have to reset your phone. The first time I used the different phone to do this, I did have to reset my phone, but on my newer phone it worked just fine. Now I am recording this video October of 2020, so if this goes away and you watch this later on, thanks for watching my video. Bye bye.